Let's get the humidifier set up for the first time. You can take off the reservoir here, put the base aside. So the whole lid comes off here. There is a filter, so inside the reservoir, you'll find the filter cap, just a small twist. Then you can insert the filter into the cap here. It does have these little wings here that just need to line up inside of the reservoir. And you will see they line up pretty easily. And then you can just do a simple twist, get it in place here. The one thing about this reservoir is that it does have little feet underneath it, so it does sit up straight, which is nice while you're holding it, and how you have to fill it up. Now, the one thing that is a downside is that you kind of need a tall faucet to fill it up, or in the bathtub. Depending on your situation, that could be challenging. So we'll fill this up, and then we'll go over the actual base of the machine here. So there, the reservoir is full. I can set that aside. Now it does come with a brush for you to clean out inside of the tank here and get anything that is built up for keeping the machine clean. Then what you do is you fill this up. There is a max fill line here, so you want to fill up the base. And now you will go ahead and add your essential oils, whatever flavor brand you like, just a couple of drops into the actual reservoir. Then you can place the tank on, and it's nice because it does have an arrow here, and the base of the tank does have a line here, so it is easy to match up and get the base on and the tank every time. So now let's plug it in. Now we can turn the machine on. Of course, you can adjust the amount of humidity you want here. Here it's all the way up. One of the things I love about this machine is that the light is not on. The only time the light comes on is when it's out of water. This will turn red, indicating that it is out of water and not in use. So the machine is about 11.5 inches tall and 7.5 inches in diameter. And that is it. This is the Levoit humidifier. I absolutely love it. I have 2 of them in the house, and I'm probably going to get another one. There are other brands out there that have a different name, but I believe it is the same exact humidifier. As far as run time, if I turn it up all the way up on max, it will run throughout the night for about 8 to 10 hours before the reservoir is empty and I need to refill it. So there you go. If you would like to find it, I have included a link to it on Amazon in the description of this video. Hope that was helpful.